The BMW M8 Competition is the highest-performing version of BMW's 8 Series lineup, offering extreme power and luxury. It is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing 617 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. This engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and features BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, which includes the ability to switch to rear-wheel drive for more driver-focused dynamics. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.5 seconds, putting it among the fastest production cars in the world. The electronically limited top speed is 155 miles per hour, which can be increased to around 190 miles per hour with the optional M Drivers package. The car is available in 3 body styles: Coupe, Convertible, and Grand Coupe, 4-door. The Grand Coupe is the most practical, while the Coupe and Convertible offer a sportier design and experience. The M8 rides on BMW's CLAR platform and includes a double wishbone front and multi-link rear suspension system, adaptive M suspension, and high-performance brakes, with optional carbon ceramic discs. Inside, the M8 Competition is filled with luxury and technology. It features extended merino leather upholstery, M Sport seats with ventilation and heating, an Alcantara headliner, ambient lighting, and a 16-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, optional Bowers and Wilkins available. It also includes a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, 10.25-inch infotainment display with iDrive 7.0, navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a full-color head-up display with M-specific graphics. In terms of size, the Grand Coupe is about 201 inches long, 76.5 inches wide, and 55.9 inches tall, while the Coupe and Convertible are slightly shorter and lower. Curb weight ranges from approximately 4,295 to 4,500 pounds depending on the body style. Fuel economy is rated at around 15 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway, with a combined estimate of about 17 miles per gallon. Pricing for the BMW M8 Competition starts around $138,800 for the Coupe, approximately $140,000 for the Grand Coupe, and near $150,000 for the Convertible. Though largely unchanged for 2025, there are rumors that the 2-door coupe may be discontinued in the US after this model year, while the other variants continue. Overall, the M8 Competition blends high-end materials and comfort with breathtaking speed and cornering capability, making it a compelling choice for those wanting supercar performance in a grand touring package.